I was looking how to make my seat more comfortable, but don't spend a lot of money. And I found two options. One option is this seat. I don't know, maybe it's a gel inside or just the air. I'm not sure, but it's kind of soft and has gaps for air. So I bought this one. And when I bought this mesh, a lot of people say that it's really good, and a lot of people say that it doesn't do anything. So I guess we just need to try it out. But I thought in the beginning I thought maybe I will try this one or just this one and compare them. But now I'm thinking I'm gonna do both of them straight. I will put this one on my seat, and on top I will put this one, and we will see will it do any difference. Okay, done. It feels nice. So we'll see when I'm gonna do trip, will it work or not. But now I like it, it's much softer, and seat got a bit higher, which is good for me because I am quite tall. So yeah,